Hello, this is Clayton Balmas, and I'm your teacher here today in our audio classroom with SynMax University, available at synmaxperformancelubricants.com. Today, we're going to be talking about our racing oil performance market presentation. Now, this is the business presentation for the motor oil portion and some of the products of SynMax Performance Lubricants available through left-hander chassis. So I hope you enjoy listening to this as much as I do sharing it with you. SynMax Performance lubricants are available exclusively through left-hander chassis and its valued dealers. This presentation is to share the business model with general marketing information through facts and historic performance, why SynMax Performance lubricants is the aerospace advantage for the dealer performance marketing. SynMax oil has what we call aerospace advantage chemistry formulations with special nanotechnology design not utilized by other companies. This same chemistry balance is found within the engine, transmission, gear lubes, and power steering and grease applications. You see, a lot of people use these terms as marketing or as ploys. But the fact is that when the SynMax business model was to take the highest levels of engineering, academics, and chemistry and use them in everyday applications. That is why we have fully synthetics with aerospace base oils and viscosity stabilization. Why? So that it will be able to take more heat and take more um, uh, extreme duty requirements. Diamond-like additives with nanotechnology. Um, provides the lowest coefficient of friction with the maximum protection at the finest level of the surface of the components. A tackifier, which provides polarity. Not everybody uses this. Not only does it help stick and crawl the parts to the metal surfaces when it's cold, but like a magnet, it attracts the oils and attracts the additive packages of the diamond-like additives to the surface to become one to help metal surface technology. In the street applications, we have the chemistry designed for the API on-road for off-road competition. The exact level of anti-wear protection, not only in regular ZDDP, but in the synthetic zinc as well. These are required, these cleaner oils and better performing surfaces that provide what we call a race detergency package. See, there's a happy place for the metal to be at. Not too much cleansing, not too, just right. And with that, you have what's called the combustion chamber cleanliness. When you're at your higher RPMs of 7, 8, 9,000 RPMs, you cannot allow the additives to get into the combustion chamber and into the spark plug. What this does is it operates very clean to prevent the detonation that normally comes from high contaminant type additive packages, such as found in moly and too much of the ZDDP. Bottom line, the SynMax program provides advanced lubrication performance with proven repeatability and consistency. And used in conjunction with a SynMax water cooler, especially for the aluminum engines, it helps the entire operation run cooler. Now, this is sold only through exclusive dealerships, and we would like you to please reference the performance data presentations that are also available to share what we're talking about. Now, in the motor oil comparison, everybody's talking about, does it have high zinc? Why? Because, we were used to using truck oil for so long, a 20W50 truck oil 10 years ago. But currently, the SynMax product not only has high zinc, but it also has aerospace chemistries in it to protect the flat tappet, solid lifter, to protect the rolling cam, the sliding and rolling parts. Even piston skirts knocking around at 9,500 RPM still look like brand new after 1,000 miles. It's amazing. Now, for the LS2 and the crate motors, they normally have the stock hydraulic lifter. We suggest in that you have to be able to have a proper viscosity stability to maintain full valve train performance. So it's been suggested by many GM engine builders, including Robert Chase Racing Engines, to use a 40 weight or 1540 weight type program. Now, in the oil comparison, as you can see here, we've got the SynMax racing oil, the Joe Gibbs Mobile Valvoline Royal Purple Red Line, and I'm sure there's some others out there which are not as high in the marketing, such as Schaefer's and Klotz and others. Very fine companies, all of them. But you see, everybody has a business model of the science and chemistry that they choose. Okay? Do you want the best or three quarters with a lot of marketing? And that's what some people choose, not at the SynMax. That our chemical material cost is very high, but then we provide a performance for what it is. So in general, we've got two what we call our pure synthetic products, which is our 15W40 and our 15W50. This has that tackifier package in it. And for the hobby stocks or older engines or engines with a looser tolerance or higher oil usage, we've got the 20W50, which is still considered as a synthetic in a Group 3 world. But as you see in here, these are general zinc specifications which have been taken from oil samples so that you can see yourself how things can be able to stack up. Remember, are you buying a label or the product that's on the inside? So just think about it. Again, as I shared, SynMax Performance Lubricants places a strong focus on product quality excellence with modern, state-of-the-art, nano-dimensional chemical materials available um, to take aerospace academics and nanotechnology and bring it to the everyday automotive commercial world. We've had success for over 5 years, and we haven't had a lubrication failure yet. The only failures that normally happen is when metal gets to its life and it breaks. We can't help that. Racers normally found that the money spent, the extra money spent on this chemical technology with SynMax, well offset the savings that they would have in camshaft and piston skirt and other technologies and cleanliness within the engine. To our knowledge, we have historically not been equaled in performance or durability. We have a 95% customer retention rate, and we've been used successfully and tested by McGinnigal Race Engines, Jammer, Pro Power in their short track division, B&B here in the Midwest. Internationally, we've got Ilmore Engineering, Rouse Powertrain Engineering, and others. So from your crate engine to the highest levels of engineering in Europe, this product has been proven. So, with this successful multi-year history at the professional racing, our thought process is this: instead of selling the same products available everywhere at the retail or outlets, why do we need 20 people selling the same product that does pretty much the same thing? It's a high zinc, moly or no moly, whatever, or that's how it is. You can choose to sell the most premium product out there, designed for the specialized racing application with complete confidence. And knowing that the SynMax product, as compared to your higher end competitive products out there, is priced equal. Now, we do have special approved dealer pricing with better retail margins and for some slight volume pricing. We have professional brochures and decals for the car, point of sale, things like this. We have an extensive education program within SynMax University that I believe other companies just simply do not desire to provide. So the SynMax lubrication total program will protect and perform from start to finish, from the break-in oil to the racing motor oil to the coolant system, power steering fluid, greases, gear lubes, etc. It will be there, and at every level of every chemistry provided. Um, it's going to be hard to best the SynMax quality. So, and here is the market advantage, as we shared: the racing oil, the coolant, the break-in gear lubes, the power steering fluid, the high-poid full synthetic diamond-like additive gear lube. Now there's a good one for you. Transmission fluid, greases. Every product we have has got the premium choice materials in it. So with confidence, you can not only use it, but with pride, share with transparent strength what we're able to do, not only for your bottom line business, but to put a smile on that customer's face when they say thank you, when maybe it didn't break down as much as it used to. So this is the end of our market presentation here, in the time that we're spending together in this session. And again, we have no offense to any company. Everybody has their business model that they choose of the chemistries they desire to sell. We just know the spirit of excellence that the SynMax product line has desired to provide. So that's it. If you have any questions, I encourage you to call Left-Hander Chassis and talk to Wayne Lensing himself, and he would be more than happy to share with you the greatness of how the products work. So this is Clayton Balmas here from SynMax University at synmaxperformancelubricants.com. Just want to say thank you for our time together. I encourage you to listen to some of our other sessions that we have on education and performance data of the SynMax product and industry situations. So until we meet again, bless you, my friend, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.